Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday. Y'all, we made it through the week. So, guess what? Now it's time to reflect. Reflect on everything. We went to fighting with our word. We used our basic instructions for living. We stayed faithful, right? We did a host of things this week. And guess what? It's Saturday and we made it. So now it is time to reflect on the week and all the things that you made it through. Think about the word reflect. In the comments below in this video, let me know all the things today that you're reflecting on through the week and how you made it. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Hold the line, please. Hey, y'all. So, y'all, I got the chair done, so I'm going to show you guys the chair. And I don't know what I'm going to do today. Today is Saturday. We made it. Well, we didn't make it all through the 7 days, but today is really the 7th day. Okay, it is. So, y'all, I put my stuff on today. I put on my vegan cream stuff. Yeah. So, in this video, after this, I'm going to show you guys a clip of me. You'll see a clip. Is it before this? Of yesterday, but I got blessed with it yesterday. But I'm going to show you the chair. I did get it stained. You guys seen what it looked like before when I got it home? Now I'm going to show you what it looked like. I'm going to go over it one more time though with another coat because I needed to actually match the chair legs of the couch and the dining room chairs. So yeah, I'm going to see. Okay. So here is how it looks now. Let me go a little closer. So that's what it looks right now. And like I said, I'm trying to get it to be, this is more like an espresso, and the color here is more like an ebony finish. But I do have espresso. It is espresso men wax. That's what it's called. Because I think one of you guys in another video asked me what kind of stain did I use on the shelf in the back, and it's men wax and it's espresso. So guys, I will see you guys throughout the day. All right, I'll see you guys. Hey y'all, it is still, you guys gonna see this Saturday, so happy Saturday. But I just wanted to show y'all this real quick. Yesterday evening when I'm gonna say like 4:30, I left out just to go to Ben's around the corner from my home. Y'all, I'm so glad I went. I'm gonna show y'all really quick some things that I found that's in this box. Oh my gosh, y'all, like I'm super excited. So I'm just gonna share them with you really quick. Hold on one second, okay? Hold on. Y'all, we're gonna make this quick, okay? So, I found my mom a light bulb. I've been telling her I was gonna get her some more bulbs. So I got her a LED bulb, as you can see here. Everything was $1. I spent $3.20, y'all. So I got the bulb. I also got some, I don't know how much she charged me for. This is vegan collagen, guys. This is like Pacifica brand. Do y'all see that? I got that. I'm so excited. And this is a glass bottle. I also picked up my mom. The lady told me they was gonna throw this away probably tomorrow. Because they were clearing stuff out for the new sale. And I'm thinking like, are you kidding me? So guys, I got my mom, look, remember the last one that I was trying to get her? It didn't match, but guess what? She got the matching one. So the other one I'm gonna get back from her and I can use it for something else, but I found her the matching one, got that. And I found me a beautiful coaster, wood grain coaster. Gonna put this in the bedroom because we need it instead of going through the other coasters that belong in like in the kitchen and the dining room area. So I got that. And I got another LED floodlight. These are worth the money, $1. I don't know how much charge this was. Like I said, everything was $3.20, y'all. But this is the amazing buy right here. Do you guys see this? Do y'all remember I've been telling y'all I've been looking for one of these? Look at that. Do y'all see the brand? Guess what? It just doesn't have this, but guess what? I am going to, they told me to call the store and maybe they will send me one. So we'll see. But I got a aroma. Look at this. This has the light up switch, the on and off. All I need is the thing. And I'm thinking I'm gonna see if my frother bottom can fit this because that's what it looks like. But guys, I'm so excited. And also I'm going to mention to you guys like really quick, I am going to be putting, I'm going to be staining the legs on the chair. I did find the stain was in the garage. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Happy Saturday.
YouTube, right. How y'all doing today? Just getting off work. Had to go get my truck running. Put a new battery in it so I can get it going, get it moving. A little water in there, lightweight froze a little bit. So, you know, gotta just let it warm up and let it thaw out. Get it going. Y'all doing all right? I'm doing all right. Taking it easy, staying out the way. Got a business I'm gonna start, so hopefully y'all will get with me and let me know what's going on. I do drywall painting, ceilings.
And what I do? What do I do?
She just sit back and watch.
No, I think.
She don't do nothing.
Oh wow.
You don't. You ain't do no painting with me.
But I could have.
You could have?
Yeah, I could have.
Listen to her, she could have.
But am I going to?
Yeah, she probably will do some painting with me. I have to see how she work out first.
Oh my God.
I have to see, make sure she really know how to paint right.
Oh
yeah,
Lord.
she painted our cabinets in our house, but that's just a test.
We painted the walls. Now you saying I can't paint?
I didn't say you couldn't paint. I just make sure that you paint right.
Ooh, we
What?
I can't believe you're saying that. When
I'm being honest.
We painted the kitchen and the bathroom. The other walls
People.
painted.
Okay, it's one thing when you paint your own house. It's another thing when you paint somebody else's house. People be particular and specifics about things.
Y'all, in them comments, I know y'all gonna come and be like, girl, I can't believe he said that. When you do
I
excellent
didn't
job,
say
everything.
anything. I just said when you in somebody else's house,
Yeah, I know
it's
that.
a difference when you paint your own house.
We know that.
You can paint your own house how you want to paint it. You can mess up, screw up, whatever. You can go over it, whatever. You paint somebody else's house, there's no room for failure. So, being said that, she say she want to go with me, but she can't pick up no drywall.
I can lift drywall.
No, you cannot.
Oh my, one sheet of drywall? That's not nothing.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, really.
Yeah, we'll see.
A sheet of drywall is not nothing.
We'll see, y'all. We'll see what she do. Look like my cousin. But I see y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Love y'all.
Hey guys, now I'm elsewhere, trying to wait for her to get up so we can go to the grocery store. You know how it is when you gotta wait on folks. Drinking me some, do y'all remember this cup? Do y'all remember this? That I got from Big Lots? Go back some videos and you'll see this cup, this coffee mug. I'm drinking some Stash peppermint tea. Cause y'all, it's so cold here in Ohio. It is below 11 or something like that. It's cold. So I'm waiting on her to wake up so we can go to the grocery store and just get a few things. Y'all, she's in the bed. This is like, she's saying she's ready, but I've been here for, I know. Yeah, look at the wall. Look. I don't want to show her business, but look at the wall. Look at the wall behind me. It's so cute. Huh? And you know what? I didn't even notice the, this is pretty. She got this from one of the vans when we went that one time together. This is so super cute. I have one, but I had to spray paint my old one by myself. But yeah, now I'm just waiting to, I guess, finish my tea and then we'll head to the grocery store. But she's behind me. Can y'all see her hand or something? I don't know. She needs to get up. But she claims that she claims she's waiting on me to finish my tea. Okay. So yeah, that's what I'm on my way to do. Is go get a few things. I'll probably show y'all later on what I bring home. Probably, yeah, I'll see. But I need to finish up my tea, and then I'm gonna get ready to we're gonna head out. Oh, and then I gotta drop stuff over to my mom's house too as well. We are here at Fresh Time. Fresh Time.
We are at
Oh, I wish I had a handicap sticker.
Fresh Time.
Oh, wait a minute. There's one. Get off my butt, lady.
Fresh.
Don't even think about it. Bag it up. Bag it up. Hold on, y'all. She was on it too. These people are mean out here.
No, let me.
Oh my gosh. What are they doing? Okay, y'all. We made it.
Y'all, there's a lot of styles over here.
And I ain't going in them.
Y'all should see Chick-fil-A line. It's crazy.
Hey, y'all. We made it, and that's the most important thing. I'll see you guys in the store.
We made it safely and soundly.
Avocados 2 for $1. They got lime. You didn't know that? They got garlic 2 for $1, y'all. And lime. Limes for $3.99. I mean 3 for 99 cents. So I'm gonna get this now.
This is why she gained them 10 pounds, y'all. Because she want to eat
I didn't
snacks.
gain 10 pounds. I gained like 6 pounds.
Because she want to eat snacks.
But look, these got the apple feel, y'all. These are the capaces, the Paxies. I'm gonna get these, and I'm gonna get the. So guys, we bought dragon fruit from Fresh Time, and I've never had it before. So look at it. Look how it looks. Oh my gosh, it looks so funny. It's cute though. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, like a booty hole. No, but I'm gonna try it. My first time.
They said it's the sweetest one out of all of them.
That's good. Y'all, this is good. Oh my God. Oh wait.
You just ate the whole thing. You is greedy.
Oh my God, this tastes really good.
You are greedy, young lady. Greedy.
All right, y'all see how I'm getting ready to attach this one onto that one, and here goes. I'm just showing the other one. See how that's the same as this one? Wait a minute. See how it's the same? So now we got 2 of the same, 2 lampshades and 2 brackets. And I'm happy.
Mama is too.
She says she happy, y'all. So I'm gonna put this on here, and then we're gonna mosey on home. I'll see y'all when I get home. Hey y'all, I am finally back home. Y'all, I'm very sorry. I almost forgot to end this video. I just had so much fun today hanging out with my family. So yeah, if you are interested in what I hauled in these bags right here, y'all, I wasn't supposed to go in there and get anything, but a few things, like a couple of things I can count on my hand. And I said, you know what? We're gonna have like really, really bad weather here, and just in case we can't get out, here we go. But I did really good, and I will share that with you guys. So check out my other channel, Simply Black Vegan. And guys, I will see y'all tomorrow. Happy Saturday. We gotta put these groceries up after we do our haul. So it might be posted later on this night or tonight, or maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure, but just keep checking back. Simply Black Vegan. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. I appreciate it. God bless you all. Thank you so much. And remember, love yourself so that you will love others. So this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all.